Hey guys, welcome to tenorshare. In today's video, I want to explore with you how to fix the unable to check for update error on your iPhone. Currently, this issue appears in two main scenarios. First, when you try to upgrade to iOS 26 and get the unable to check for update notification. Second, when you've already upgraded and want to downgrade, only to be met with the same error. Let's break down the solutions for both of these situations. First, let's tackle the upgrade scenario. We'll solve this in 4 steps. Step 1. Check your network connection. Go into your Wi-Fi settings to make sure your network connection is working properly. Select a stable, available network. Then, try checking for the iOS 26 update again. Step 2. Disconnect from your VPN. Open Settings, go to General, and then select VPN and Device Management. From here, turn off your VPN connection. Step 3. Reset network setting. In case a configuration error is causing connection problems, go to General, scroll down, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. After your device reboots, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and try updating to iOS 26 again. Step 4. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. In Settings, open Screen Time, then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. You can toggle it off right here. Completing these 4 steps should resolve the issue for most people. However, if your device still won't update, I recommend using Reiboot to get it done. It can complete the iOS 26 update faster and more effectively. All you need to do is connect your device to your computer. You can get Reiboot from the link in the description below this video. Once you launch Reiboot, click on the iOS upgrade/downgrade option. You can update to iOS 26 from right here. Download the latest iOS 26 firmware, then click Upgrade and wait for the iPhone update to complete. And just like that, you're updated. Now, let's look at the second scenario, downgrading. Right now, after updating to iOS 26, you'll see the unable error on the software update screen. If you want to downgrade your iOS, you'll have to use a computer. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. Then, back up your data using iTunes or Finder. This will keep your data safe. Once that's done, you can proceed with the iOS downgrade in Reiboot. Use the downgrade feature here. You'll need to download the iOS 18 firmware. After the download is finished, click Initiating Downgrade. This process will take about 10 minutes. During this time, we need to modify the backup file we just created. Press the Windows and R keys at the same time to open the Run command window. Then, type %appdata% and %userprofile% respectively to find the backup file paths. In the backup folder, locate the info.plist file. Right-click the file and open it with Notepad. Now, press Ctrl and F to open the search field. Type product version to find it. This is your iOS firmware version. You need to change it to the version number you're downgrading to, which is 18.5. Then, save and close the file. Alright, the iPhone has been downgraded, and iOS 18 is installed. Now, open iTunes to restore your data. This will get all your data back onto your iPhone. Okay, and that covers the solutions for the unable to check for update error in both situations. I hope this video was helpful. We'll continue to release the latest news on iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 beta. If you don't want to miss out, please subscribe to our channel to get those updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.